How to fix Windows 10 update error code 80240112. To fix Windows 10 update error code 80240112, try 1. Launch the update and restart or update and shut down option in the start menu. 2. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. 3. Disable the antivirus temporarily. 4. Download and install the update via Microsoft Update Catalog. 5. Check the broken task scheduler. Go to hkey_local_machine \system \current control set \services \schedule in registry editor. Set 2 to modify under start.